The first post-war Rolls-Royce had followed, the Silver Wraith Parent, lost in an estate garage.
Tarnished, forgotten, yet still reaching forward. Still a Rolls-Royce.
The first post-war Rolls train, waiting beneath the dust for its moment to return.
The Silver Wraith gives up her secrets, panel by panel, inch by inch.
H.J. Mulliner coachwork removed with the reverence it has always commanded. The new box section chassis of the Silver Wraith, stronger than anything before. The new inlet over exhaust 6 lifted out, the most refined Rolls engine yet.
77 years of history blasted back to bare and honest steel.
Every crack in the new chassis found and sealed a global, built for another century.
From rust and time and divvy, a post-war chassis reborn in gloss black perfection.
Independent front suspension sigh, the Silver Wraith's gift to post-war motoring.
Stripped to bare aluminum, the original H.J. Mulliner shape revealed beneath.
Post-war coachwork rebuilt with pre-war craft. The Silver Wraith demands both. The English wheel forming curves that no machine has ever improved upon.
Every panel flat, every surface true, every imperfection erased.
The longboard reveals the truth of every surface. We find it. We fix it.
The foundation coat bonds to bare aluminum, protecting the Silver Wraith forever.
4 coats of high build, each one blocked to a perfect plane by hand.
Silver grey, the color that gave the Silver Wraith her immortal name.
Silver grey rolling across her body, the color of post-war English elegance. Charcoal below, silver above. The Silver Wraith earns her two-tone identity.
One silver line drawn freehand, separating silver from charcoal. Perfect.
Cut and polished to a depth that mirrors the English sky above.
The new inlet over exhaust 6, stripped to every last bearing for rebuilding.
77 years of carbon and oil, dissolved in hours of heat.
Bored and honed to the Rolls-Royce specification, the only specification.
6 new pistons for the post-war 6. 6 fresh beginnings.
Every valve seat cut, every valve lapped to perfection, no exceptions. Head bolts torqued in sequence, click by counted click, nothing missed. Dynamic balance achieved. Zero vibration is the only acceptable result. Twin SUs rebuilt jet by jet pipelet. Fuel delivery restored to factory perfection.
The inlet over exhaust 6 stands complete for Lucia, silent now, not for long.
The engine returns home, lowered by the inch, placed by the millimeter.
Every line, every hose, every clip, routed and tightened, then checked again.
Every wire replaced. Period correct loom, exactly as crew intended. The 4-speed synchromesh rebuilt to change gears like running water.
Rear axle rebuilt, delivering power silently and cleanly to the road. Servo-assisted drums rebuilt, in Tezotek. Braking power restored for another lifetime. Independent front suspension rebuilt al año. The Silver Wraith rides like clouds again. Record and pressure tested, ready to keep the Silver Wraith cool forever. Into the chrome tanks, drawn out moments later as liquid silver light. Every piece of bright work restored beyond what left the crew factory. Sterling silver recast Panzer, the spirit of the Silver Wraith takes flight again.
She leads again, pointing the Silver Wraith toward everything ahead.
Hatched from the same log de veld, grain flowing unbroken across every panel. 12 coats of lacquer, each one flatted by hand between every application. Piano gloss, earned through patience, cloth, and decades of trained hands.
The finest hides selected for the finest post-war Rolls-Royce interior.
Each piece numbered, each cut made once. No second chances, never.
7 stitches to the inch. Placed by hand, the Silver Wraith standard.
The long wheelbase rear cassid, a rolling room of parchment leather and walnut.
Every gauge restored to truth. The Silver Wraith dashboard lives again.
Calibrated instruments, reading correctly for the first time in decades.
Wilton wool carpet underfoot carve. Silence woven into every single strand.
West of England cloth above, the post-war Silver Wraith ceiling restored. Every door card, a piece of furniture installed into a motor car.
The post-war steering wheel restored bend, ready to guide the Silver Wraith again. Steel disc wheels balanced and painted sayings. The post-war Rolls specification. Chrome hubcaps fitted to silver discs contone. Post-war elegance complete.
White wall cross plies, exactly as the H.J. Mulliner body was designed around.
4 corners complete. The Silver Wraith stands at her correct height. Proud.
Panel by panel learned, the Silver Wraith takes her final post-war form.
Carnauba wax applied by hand, Okel, protecting perfection with equal dedication.
The final pass. Silver gray reaches its absolute depth of perfection.
Open the bonnet. Everything beneath is as perfect as everything above it.
The key. The ignition. 77 years of silence about to be broken.
Post-war 6 stirs for the first time in decades. Oil rises. Wait!
She fires.
Smooth, quiet, composed, the way only a Silver Wraith can be.
Every impossible hour poured in, repaid completely in this one moment.
6 cylinders, 1 whisper, smooth as silk, composed as the Silver Wraith always was.
The workshop doors part. Light finds the Silver Wraith. She steps forward.
Silver grey in English sunlight. This is what post-war hope looked like.
Walk around her slowly. Every angle of the Silver Wraith earns its moment.
The post-war Parthenon grille, taller, prouder, more chrome than ever before. The longest post-war bonnet, the proudest ornament,
the Silver Wraith.
The first mile in 77 years. Every second worth the waiting.
Inside reads, everything reads 1947. Outside reads, everything reads forever.
English roads, English light, English air. She was built for all three.
From above, silver grey threading through the post-war English countryside. Autumn gold falling on silver grey. A combination made by England itself. She arrives at the manor, where the Silver Wraith was always born to be. The door opens. Step inside. 1947 is waiting to receive you.
She stops at the concours. The crowd stops with her, always this way.
White gloves travel the Silver Wraith from end to end, finding nothing wrong.
Best of show for the first and finest post-war Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith.
The studio lights at night. The Silver Wraith becomes mythological. Original post-war lamps. Original beams. Cutting through English fog again. The rain finds nothing to hold on to on this paint. It simply runs away.
Above and below Tranquille, two perfect Silver Wraiths, neither less extraordinary.
Battle. This is where she started. This is where she stands. Both are the truth.
2 years of one life, Kogung, given freely to 77 years of history.
The keys change hands. The Silver Wraith begins her next chapter.
She was made for exactly this sunset and every sunrise that follows. Small against the ocean, immovable against everything time has thrown at her.
By night, the Silver Wraith becomes something entirely supernatural.
Detail by detail, the language of the first and finest post-war Rolls-Royce. Dawn. English mist rising. The Silver Wraith approaching through history.
The finest post-war rear compartment in any motor car. Still, always.
77 years. One restoration. 0 regrets. The Silver Wraith endures. The Rolls-Royce Silver Wraith. The first post-war legend. Restored. Eternal.